Hello, welcome to my closet. I'm going to be cleaning it out today, which I have not done since I moved in here, and it is time. Today I'm starting with my t-shirts. So let's do it. It's try on time. I struggle a lot with clothes that are just a little bit fancier than my everyday wear because I don't wear them regularly, but there are very much scenarios that come up where I need to wear them, like this button down, but I think that I have enough of those kind of clothes that I do not need this one. I don't need to change out of this. I can just wear it until the next thing to try on comes. Oh gosh. I struggle big time with sentimental items, but I'm going to keep this, even though it's a sentimental item that I haven't worn in a while. I have a bunch of shirts from marching band, and I have decided I am allowed to keep one. Oh, this shirt is so cool. But I won't wear it. I don't wear it. It was a Constellation shirt. It's so cool. I don't wear it. I can't keep it if I don't wear it anymore. Oh, this is harder than I thought it was going to be. Stripes, 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 stripes. I'll keep. Camp Half-Blood is definitely a keep. Oh, I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. I'm really pleased with myself. I have all these crop tops that I haven't worn in forever because it's cold, but still like them. This shirt is hard because I just wear it every so often, but I gotta keep it because it's good. Oh my gosh. This shirt says bean and cheese on it. It's seen me through so much. I still resonate deeply with bean and cheese, but no longer. And t-shirts are done. That was easy. It wasn't. Okay, I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh, that's more than I was hoping I would keep. Getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, would like to have gotten rid of more, but this is all I wear are t-shirts, so I guess it makes sense. And I have different types of t-shirts for different occasions. I don't know. I just wish I'd gotten rid of more. Next is tank tops, and I'm going to change. Okay, keeping 5, getting rid of 5. I'm okay with that. Long sleeved shirts. Okay. This is a little bit too grandma-y, I think. I had a phase where I was enjoying it, but I think that was just because it was a turtleneck and it's the only turtleneck I own. This sweater is so weird, but kind of fun. Kind of fun. My poor dog had some vaccines today, and his arm is really sore. He got them in his shoulder, and it took forever for me to get him situated on the couch because he can't get comfortable, and he hasn't moved in a while, so I hope he's comfortable, and I hope it's just that he doesn't want to move. Poor baby. Okay, I said I was only going to keep 1 marching band shirt, but I'm keeping 2, 1 long sleeved and 1 short sleeved. Okay, long sleeve done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. If you watched my thrift with me video, I mentioned that I didn't like any of my long sleeve shirts anymore. So that checks out. I just got to get rid of all the ones that I didn't like anymore. Jackets and coats are next. I'm definitely keeping my new jacket. Definitely not keeping my old one. This one's really cool. This was my grandfather's. And it's a little big for me, but it's still really nice. Keep. This one's new also. Keep. New to me. This one, I loved this jacket for a long time. I wore it almost every day when it was like seasonally appropriate for a long time, but I think it's time to go. This is my first jean jacket that I ever owned. And I haven't been wearing it because I like the oversized jean jacket look. And this one, oh, it's kind of small actually. But I do like a good jean jacket. This is really small though. Let me see how I look in the mirror. I kind of like it better than I was expecting to. I would need to wear it with short sleeves because literally when I put it on, it pushed my long sleeves all the way up above my elbow. So it is small. But I think I'm going to keep it, and if I don't wear it between now and the next time I do this, I will know. Okay, that's done. I only got rid of 1 or 2, but I was kind of expecting that because I didn't have a large collection anyways. Oh, and then I forgot that I have jackets hanging over here. Let me pull down all the stuff on my door. Let's go. And these jackets are mostly out because I use them regularly. So I think these all will probably stay, except this. I don't wear hoodies anymore. No more hoodies. I don't really like this rain jacket, but sometimes I need a rain jacket and I don't have anything better, so it stays. Okay, next is pants. Oh my gosh. I had extra long sleeve shirts sitting out with these jeans and I didn't even know. So I have 3 more that I'm keeping. Whoops. That's good. The amount of long sleeve shirts I had did not seem adequate. Okay, pants, pants, pants. These are the jeans I used to wear in like 2015 that I still have. Nope. These are from 2015 and I barely even wore them. These are even older and I don't wear anything that's not high-waisted anymore. So that's a nope. Overalls, yes. Nice pants, yes. These jeans aren't my favorite. They kind of dig into my stomach, which is a good enough reason not to keep them. I have a perfectly good selection of jeans to work from. Okay, pants I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including 2 pairs of overalls. And some of these are kind of mixed in like fancier pants and non-jeans. The nice thing about going through my clothes is that now I can also sort them better than I had been because they're all already out. It's been so long since I wore my shorts, these might require a try on too for some of them. This empty hanger is from the shorts that I was wearing when I broke my leg They were cut off of me, and I'm still mad about it. And that was the last time I wore shorts, because then I stayed inside for like 3 months, and then it was cold. R.I.P. those shorts. Keeping 4. I'm gonna need new shorts, y'all. Getting rid of 2. I have a fancy dress section, and I don't think that I'm mentally ready to tackle that one right now. Maybe at the end. So these are cardigans and a few like overshirts that I would wear over t-shirts. And I have not touched this drawer in so long. I think maybe every single overshirt might go. They're so wrinkly. I really should have folded them a little better. All of these have to go. I don't wear them. Cardigans, on the other hand, these are all still very practical. Okay, we have lots of athletic clothing. When I used to do things outside regularly. I like all of this stuff. I just don't need nearly this many of them because I don't go outside as much. So I'm going to get rid of 2 shorts and keep 4, which is probably more than I need, but they don't take up very much space, and I'd rather have more than I need than less. All of these are basically the same, so I just have to pick my favorite colors. Okay, I'm keeping 4 shorts and 4 sports bras, getting rid of 2 pants and 3 sports bras. This next drawer is cold weather stuff, which, living in Texas, there's a lot of this stuff that I haven't touched even though it's February. I like this hat. This is the hood for my new jacket. I like this scarf that I made. I don't do hoodies anymore. This jacket is the best thing ever. Not super into this hat anymore. This is the first thing I ever knitted, this hat, but it's like mint green and I don't wear it. Nice scarf that I do wear. I love all of these socks. I like these gloves. I don't wear that hat. I don't wear that hat. These are long underwear, which I haven't worn, but I would regret giving up. More warm socks, and more warm socks. Sock and underwear drawer is for another time. Sweatpants and pajamas is my next drawer down. These used to be all I wore, these joggers, and I still wear them sometimes. I think I have a splinter. I got it. Okay. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. I have to check my black sweatpants for what kind of tie they have, because the ones I like have the thicker tie and the ones I don't like have the thinner tie. I bought these pants. They're like sweatpant bell bottoms, kind of. I bought them for a 70s party. They were really cool, but I don't wear them. I need to stop buying things for parties. That was like the only time I did that, so fortunately. Pajamas. I like these. I like these. I like these. These Gryffindor pajama pants served me well for a long time, but they have a big old hole in the butt. No longer. What is this? Oh yeah, these are my many good pajama shirts that I wear. And I'm happy with all of those, and they are almost all Camp Half-Blood shirts. Oh my gosh. This drawer is almost empty. I'm almost done. That's not true. I have all the things that I skipped because they were overwhelming. Swimsuit. It's the only one I own. It can stay. This long sleeve shirt, very wrinkled, but it can stay. This rainbow bandana. It's Chipotle. Thanks, Chipotle. No thanks. A sweatband that's bright yellow that I have no memory of, and a scuba mask thing. Literally this whole drawer now is swimsuit and swim mask. So this section is my fancy clothes, and it's the hardest to go through because I don't know when I'll need it. And I don't know what I'll need. But I don't wear any of it very much. But I do need it sometimes. Okay, we have slacks, yes. Yes. Oh, I need this. Yeah, see, these are like work clothes, and I don't know what my next job's gonna be, so I have to, I'm gonna put things to the side so that I can make decisions about them compared to each other, because I don't even know what's in here, because I never have to go through it to look for things, because I use stuff from here just a few times a year. Ah, see, this is a nice dress too, but I don't know if I'll need it. These are like almost Easter dresses. I don't need those. This dress has come through for me many a time though. This I'm definitely keeping. This is my typical interview outfit for job interviews. Oh, and I sometimes wear this blazer with it. Very nice. More slacks. Okay, these are more casual dresses. And they're very cute. They're not my style, but they live in that middle ground between what I wear and like business casual. They're like splitting that difference. And so I think I need to keep at least one or two, because it's so stressful to be getting rid of clothes because I might need them in the next job that I'm at. Okay, I have this pile of dresses that are all in the same realm of fancy, but they're not though. This I got for a job interview. Some of the others I got for like a wedding. Okay, I'm keeping these two, getting rid of the other two. Final answer. So I'm basically now sorting these into like 4 categories, like casual dresses, job interview, in the middle between those two, and band concert. I really accomplished something today. I have a big old pile of hangers. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And a very big pile of clothes. And I haven't gone through my sock and underwear drawer yet, and I'm not going to today. I'll probably do that one off camera. Thank you so much for watching. This was kind of fun after I got over the original hurdle of t-shirts that had emotional significance to me. And I definitely accomplished something, even though I didn't get rid of as many t-shirts as I would have liked to. See you next week.